Milacron Ferromatik PET-Series Manual. Series, QPET Brochure, 2021, a comprehensive brochure covering the Q series, including QPET, which outlines technical specs, electrical, hydraulic systems, control features, mosaic, clamp, injection, ejector details, and more. What it includes: clamp force, tie bar spacing, strokes, clamp, long, ejector, powerful, injection unit options, screw configurations tailored for PET mosaic control with servo hydraulic toggle system. Energy-efficient features and customizable options. Downloadable PDF on Milacron's official site. Document 2. Ferromatik Series Catalog, 8-page F-Series. This brochure covers modular electric, hybrid, hydraulic F-Series machines. While not PET-specific, it offers structural insights relevant to 250-ton models. Wrench 3. Hydrant Servo Series, up to 450-ton. While preceding the Q series, it includes detailed spec sheets for 250-ton servo hydraulic models, perfect for understanding platen layout, screw size, injection performance, and hydraulics. 4. PET Preform Molds 48-cavity mention. An industry article cites a 48-cavity next PET mold, confirming PET preform setups of that scale exist and are used with Ferromatik machines. Checkmark next steps to get the exact manual. 1. Download the Q series brochure, PDF, from Milacron's website. It contains detailed operating and technical data for QPET up to 500 metric ton. 2. Request the full service or operation manual. Contact Milacron India. Sales or service in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Vatwa, +91 79 2589 081 9179 2589 0133 National Office. New Delhi +91 11 4630-11141 16 or use the Milacron Global Support Portal. Provide them with model details, QPET 250 ton, specifying 48 cavity PET preform configuration. They typically supply PDF manuals or printed service books. Teen. Search for machine serial, model info on platforms like Machinio. Used machinery listings sometimes include manual scans upon. Email or call Milacron India with your specific model to request the full manual, maintenance procedures, hydraulic schematics, control settings, safety protocols, etc. Check used machine resale sites. If the unit is pre-owned, manuals are often bundled or sold separately.